kakambal mo, of course, si Atasha, right? Nauna siya, she was ahead sa pagpasok sa showbiz. At that time kasi parang hindi ka pa decided na pumasok. So what made you finally decide na sundan mo ang yapak ng kapatid mo?
Actually, prior naman, we already knew, or we already kind of decided naman that it was going to go there, in that direction naman. Mas noon na lang si Tash kasi also, she finished her studies before me. And parang we already knew in our hearts that we wanted to do this, and not only just do it for the sake of doing it, but also given the chance to really work hard and give our best with our craft, because we know that the industry is not an easy place, and our parents often would remind us that, but we both knew deep in our hearts that if we just worked hard enough and really gave our effort, talagang maybe sana if the Lord would give it, like, things could happen naman. And buti na lang naman, I'm so grateful and really I feel blessed na me and Tasha have been able to, achieve some things in the time being that we've been.